this bumper, this one in the front keeps on snapping like this, so I have to find a solution for this. So what happens is whenever I reverse, I mean this front bumper is quite too low, so what happens is whenever I reverse my car out of my house, the ramp there is quite too steep, and eventually the bumper touches the ground and it keeps on snapping out of place. So that's why I have to install these bumper clips to save it, from snapping out. Guys, the bumper of my car just keep popping out, so I have a solution. I used screws earlier, but now I'm gonna use this bumper catcher, this one. Check this out. So I have already installed one screw there and it is in place, but this clip you can install like the other way around also. Let me show you. Like this one you can install it here and the other piece you can install there, so both ways you can do it. I chose to install it on that so that in case we need to replace the bumper altogether, this thing I think will be easier to replace. I can just take it out and put it on the new bumper, so that's why I'll keep it this way. Now I have already installed one screw. Now keeping I'm looking for a small screw so that I don't have to pierce too deep inside the bumper and my car body. So I'll be taking just small screws and then screwing it in. Now, now we have to keep it parallel to this line, and then one screw you can install anyway. Just make taking the measurement. The other one you need to keep it parallel to the fender lining, so that it looks good. And let me just quickly install the other screw also. Once I install the other screw, the clip on the body part would be done, and then the other one is an easy install on the bumper, this one. Now while installing the other piece on the bumper, you need to be a little bit careful because this needs to be tight with the clamp. If let's say it's not tight enough, then there's no point of installing this at all. So that's why what I'll do is I'll open it halfway, the lock, I'll open it halfway and then mark the holes, and then I'll put it there so that when it is fully closed, it has some tension in it, and that's how we can keep the bumper nice, tight and snug. So yeah, that's how you can do it as well. So let's do it. Once it is installed, we can just lock it in place, and now this bumper is not going anywhere. It is very tight and stuck. Now we just need to install the same on the other side as well. We'll quickly do that and then we'll be done. Here I have to make I'm using a puncher to make a hole initially because otherwise it's a bit difficult. This is pure metal. So many failures, come on. There goes, we have made one hole, and now I can place the clamp here. So this one, as I said, the first hole you don't have to worry a lot about it. Just install it with the little bit of measurements. Here goes our first screw. Hey, look, finally it's done, man. Okay, our second wala, right? So let's do it like this. Bas, finally. Ding 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 ding. So there's a little mistake that I did, because of which my bumper is actually bumping a bit outside. You see, this is pretty too tight. That's why the bumper is, a bit in tension. So it is a bit tricky to install it. You need to be in perfect place, like not too far ahead and not too close, not too tight, not too loose. So that's why. But yeah, I moved it a little bit forward, and it is a bit better now. But yeah, that's how it's gonna be. Okay, so our installation is done. And it doesn't look that bad actually, not bad actually, it looks good. What happens is when I reverse my car out of my house, the ramp there is quite too steep, so that's why when it gets down, all the bumper always hits, oopsie. Yeah, the bumper always hits the, what to tell you, the ramp, and that's how, you see, This part is broken right there. Here it is broken, and this one comes out. That's how it happens, so I have to install this. So that's how you install a bumper clamp. So see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.